Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to show the process for deleting data off the BLK360 G2 using the BLK Data Manager. Here I'm using version 25.0.0. I will put a link in the description of this video to where you can find the Data Manager. It is a free download. With the G2, you can connect via USB-C or via Wi-Fi. I'm actually going to connect via Wi-Fi because I'm having an issue with my USB-C cable, oddly enough. So I'm going to turn on Wi-Fi, and I'm doing this on another screen. Going to hit connect. On the bottom of the G2, there's an SSID as well as a password, and I've previously entered that, so we don't have to do it again. It's attempting to connect now. We can hit connect on here, and now we're connected. We see we have a 65% battery, and there's a lot of data files on here, so they should be loading shortly. Here we have all these data points that we no longer need. So we can connect, or we can click on, let's try one of them, and we'll hit delete. There might be a little bit of a lag because we are doing this. There you go. All right. Are you sure you want to remove the selected data from the scanner? Yes. And that was setup 11. And you can see it deleted. So what I'm going to do is, might take a while. I'm going to hit select all, and then I'm going to hit delete. And it says, are you sure you want to remove the selected data from the scanner? Yes. Now there's, easily over 100 scans on here, I'd say. So again, this might take a bit of time. Now, there is internal memory on here, and from what I found online, it can store up to 1,500 setups. It says it's important to note that setups or stationings refer to the individual scan positions captured by the device. The actual amount of data per setup can vary depending on the chosen resolution and whether HDR imagery is captured. While the device can store up to 1,500 setups internally, users often transfer scans to a connected mobile device like an iPad or Android tablet running the BLK Live or Cyclone Field 360 app to manage storage space on the scanner and process the data. One forum user noted that 115 dense HDR scans took up about 45 gigs on board the BLK scanner before transfer. So I don't think we have 1,500 on here, but we definitely had a couple hundred anyway. And I do have the BLK 360 G2 available for rent, and so when I get it back, oftentimes people will leave data on there, and so I do go through periodically and delete data before the next rental. If you have any questions about renting a BLK 360 G1 or G2 for me, you can find more information on my website, www.scanyourspace.com. There's a page on there for renting these cameras. They're available to ship within the United States via FedEx second day air or next day air, and we're available for local pickups in the San Francisco Bay Area. I am available for paid consultation calls. So if you are thinking about doing a scan, not really sure how to do it, thinking about starting the scanning business, not really sure how to do it, or just want to pick my ear about some things, there's also a link on my page to consultations. While this is downloading, I'm not going to hold you guys up any longer. But that was the process of deleting data from the BLK Data Manager. If you have any questions, comment them below. Any feedback, I'd love to hear it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you find it useful, feel free to share it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.